my name is Jahnavi and I am studying in grade 11 in Laurel High. I have been studying in Laurel High for around 5 years now, since grade 6, and I also joined their integrated JEE program for +1 and +2. In this program, we have weekend exams which are conducted on Saturday and are of the pattern 1 week main exam, and the second week we have an advanced pattern exam. Right after the exam is completed, we are received the key directly. And on Monday, the teachers discuss the key with us and also clarify any doubts that we might have. We also have, as it is an integrated JEE program, the teachers teach us from the basics and then go to the main and advanced level. So, do not worry if you feel as if you lack in the basics or need more focus on the basic concepts, because they teach you from the basics and then go step by step. We also have a prerequisite program which starts before the academic year, in which they teach you the basic concepts and the fundamentals that are required for +1 and +2. The teachers here are really friendly and approachable, which allows us to ask any kinds of doubts that we have, whether it is educational related or related to personal development and etc. Along with the JEE preparation, we also have many extracurricular activities such as debate workshops, goal setting programs, and also seminars with IITians, in which they share their journey with us and their experience and tell us what to do and what to avoid, and also the mistakes that they made, so that we will not commit the same mistakes again. It is an interactive session, so we are allowed to ask any doubts that we have or any queries, and they will answer it for us. And we also have games twice a week, which help us relieve our stress and also help us get some physical activity and fitness. If you want a stress-free environment along with a JEE preparation, I would highly recommend this place for you.